the Sheraton, which is now a Marriott in Oklahoma. I'll just show you you walk in, you've got a bathroom, which I'll show you in a second. You've got a big slidey door, which I managed to put our suitcases in, and there's quite a lot of room in this thing, and I can't figure out how to... There is a light, there isn't, but wow, all the way down to the other end. Already put our bags in, but we've got doubles, so here it's actually a really nice room. A little bit dark, and I can't figure out... Oh, just got lots of lights, I'm taking a guess. Very nice. Let's try and see if I can figure out how to turn... Oh, there we go. Get some more lights on. There we go. Got some coffees. Oh, and Starbucks. That's really nice. Some different varieties of Starbucks coffee. That's really nice. I'm not sure if these ones, I think these ones are free, because everywhere else has been like $3 plus. Nice chair to, that's actually really nice. And that's actually a nice fridge. Actually, to be honest, this is the first one which actually feels cold. And you've got a little bit of an ice box in there. TV, which actually is a very, very big TV for these rooms. Another little light in the corner. I'm not entirely sure how we turn... Oh, there we go. Found it. Nice little light in the corner. All in all, I'd say this is actually a really, really nice room. And then the bathroom. Hairdryer. Oh, never seen that label before. So body wash, hand wash, all your usuals. And then, oh, that is something different. Never heard of that. But all your bits that you're gonna need. All your towels. Okay, nice. Just looking forward to being able to have a nice bath tonight. See you later, guys.